Hey guys, it's Michaela. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be tackling this nest on my head, okay? Because why not? I'm quarantined, I'm at home, so I might as well just be spending 5 of my precious hours towards my hair. So as you can see, I have this one section already detangled and it's braided up and out of the way just so that I can like continue on with the rest of my hair, and need it to be out of the way or it's gonna just mingle with the rest of my hair and get tangled again. So I braided it up. So you guys, I'm going in with my fingers first just to show you that I can finger detangle my hair, but like this process would literally take me so long, and I am like a little too tender-headed for this because like I can feel every single knot being pulled and like it's just too much. It hurts, and I mean, if my hair was wet and if I was in the shower, this would be a go, but like right now I can't. So I'm gonna get my holy grail. This is called a tangle teaser and it's dirty, so I'm gonna clean the hair out of it. This is my go-to because as you guys can see, it's like gliding through my hair and it detangles my hair so easily. It doesn't hurt either. Like you can see it. Like if it hurt, you guys, you could tell because my face shows it all. I just took down some braids that I had in previously, so my hair was like kind of dirty, okay, and it needed some TLC. So right now I'm just detangling all of my hair dry. Yes, I know it's really hard to look at, but yeah, I'm detangling all of it dry. And Babe popped in to show me something really quick and I thought it was funny. But anyway, it's the next morning in this clip. First, I need to like show some love to my hair. So I'm gonna do like a hair mask. I just wanted to like nourish my hair before I put the braids in. So I did 2 hair masks. One out of the shower, and then when I got in the shower, I rinsed it out. And then I did another one. I spent 2 days doing this whole process, you guys. Like I started like at 11 o'clock at night. I don't know what possessed me to do this, but if you don't want to see this part, you can like skip ahead. I don't care. And then once I hopped into the shower, I rinsed it out. Like I said, I did my whole routine. So, yeah, and that's all the shed hair I had. And yeah, and now I have clean hair ready to start. As you can see, I did 3 boxes at the bottom. So I just started working my way up from the 3 boxes, and I did a bricklay pattern. So if I did 3 boxes down at the bottom, I would do at least 1, 2, 3, 4, you know, just so that I could put one in between each part, if that makes sense, like a bricklay pattern. So yeah, you just kind of add more as you go up. And I just followed Kersti, I can't remember her name, but I'll put the video link in the description because I just followed that video for these. I've never done these before. Like, this is my first time, and they turned out really nice in my opinion. So but me trying to explain how I did them too. Like this up close clip is gonna be like me showing you how I did them. And just excuse that like dried up gel. I kind of like sectioned my hair off earlier with this Got2b. Please do not use Got2b all over your hair like me. Like that was a mistake, okay? I should have just went with like an Eco Styler gel or something, like, but Eco Styler makes my hair flake, so I really don't know. If you have any like good gel recommendations, leave them down below, because I really don't know what gel to use for my hair. Like every gel I use makes my hair flake, no matter if it's clean, if it's got oil on it, no matter if it's whatever. If I mix it with other products, like every time it just flakes. So I don't know, maybe my hair's just not meant for gel. But anyway, in this first section, I'm literally grabbing tiny pieces of hair, guys. Like for each section I literally I'll show you guys, but I used a small amount of hair. So this whole hairstyle in total only took me about 3 packs of hair. Not even, because I didn't even use all of the 3rd pack. So I had like over half of the pack left because it was platinum blonde, and I only used a tiny bit of platinum in the front part. So yeah, this is me trying to mix the hair together. You guys, guess what time it is? It is currently, let me just see, 2:24 en la mañana, en la mañana, 2:24 in the morning, got dimension. It's not all one blonde. So I've got like 3 different hair colors in here, or well, technically 2, but 3 different types. So the top half of my hair, I have some platinum mixed in with the ombre from 27 to white that I had, or like a 27-ish color. It was kind of mixed in with the white, so you know, it goes from like a 27 to white ombre. And then on the row that's, well, actually technically it's just everywhere else, but like in every other section I just did the ombre hair, as you can see. But I mixed in a few of the sorry, like a few of the only 27 pieces I had. Like I had some hair left over that was purely 27 hair, so I used some of that and like a few of my braids like all the way down. So I just kind of have a mixture of everything in my head. I didn't really like go by a certain like thing. I just kind of started like mixing in colors where I wanted them. Yeah, that's why I did this style, and I really like this like front part. I don't know, it just kind of adds some like, I don't know, please ignore my edges, they're all crusty because like I was saying in the voiceover, this gel is like super strong hold, so you want to use just like a little bit, not like too generous. But yeah, I'm gonna leave the video link down below to the video that I watched to help me like do these braids, because this is the first time I've ever done knotless box braids. Like technically that I did it, I added a little piece of hair in the beginning, just like Kersti, what's her name, Kersti, I think that's her name, I'm not sure, but I'll put her channel in the description, and I'll put like the link to the video and everything in the description so that you can watch that video, because it really helped me out a lot when I was like sectioning and everything. I followed her parting all the way until I got to this top part, because like my hairline is different, everybody's hairline is different, everybody's forehead shape, you know, everything like that is different. So you have to kind of like take into consideration what you can do on yourself, because sometimes it doesn't work on your hairline because it's just the way that your head is, the way your hair grows out, I guess. Like it's just the way you were born. So not every style can look the same on everybody, you know. Like, so this might not look the same on you, because like if your forehead is smaller, it might look different, you know, depending on where your hairline stops. But like, I don't know, you can play with it. I've been like messing with them since I put them in. I've been messing with my hair since I've done it. Like I haven't been able to keep my hands out of it, and it's super lightweight, like so lightweight. They're just really long, so that's the only thing. I had to get my girlfriend to help me finish the braids. So if you have somebody handy that knows how to braid just like a regular plait, then I would say, to save you some extra time, don't braid all the way to the bottom, because this will take a long time. But yeah, that's why I have some dimension going on with my braids. Like not all of them are platinum blonde, but not all of them are a medium brown either. Some of them have some like mixture of both. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video.